Welcome to the third video of my series of videos about solving the preliminary examination question paper 2020, sorry. In this video we will be covering the section D, that is problem solving section of the PE exam, and in this particular video we will be covering question number 76 to question number 85. So if you look into question number 76, the first question, and to understand the video properly better, we would like to advise you to get a copy of the question paper with you and view the video so that it will be easier for you to understand. The link to the question paper will be given in the description section of the video of this video, so feel free to download the copy of the question paper. So let's start with question number 76. The first question: Dolker is standing in a queue. She is in 20th position from front and in the 16th position from the end. How many people are standing in the queue? So in such type of question, what we need to do is, firstly we need to note the position of the given person. For in this question, Dolker, so her position is on 20th position from front. That means including her there are 20 people from the front. Now if we look from the behind, she is in the 16th position. 16th position means there are 15 people after her. That's why it became 14th, 15th and 16th position. So the number of people behind her is 15 and the number of people including her in front is 20. So the total number of people in the queue is 20 plus 15, which is equals to 35. So for question number 76, the correct answer is option B, 35. Now let's look into question number 77. When a positive integer n is divided by 3, the remainder is 2, and when the number is divided by 5, the remainder is 1. What is the least possible value of n? For such question, we have a formula called Euclid's division formula, but in such competitive examinations we would not be using the formula. Instead, what we will do is we will try to test the cases with all the options. So this will help us manage our time better. So according to the question, the number is divided by 3. So what we will do is we will try to divide all the options by 3. Now first, 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Now no remainder, so this cannot be our answer. Option 2 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is equal to again 4. Remainder 0 again, so this is also not our answer. Option C is 11. 11 divided by 3, okay, equals to, we have remainder 2. Remainder is 2. So first case is correct, verified. Now we look into second case, that is 11 divided by 5. So 5 2 is 10 and remainder is 1. So this option gets both our conditions correct. But since they are asking for the least possible value, we will also try with 8. So 8 divided by 3, 3 2 is 6, option is 2, this is correct. And we will see into next case, 8 divided by 5, remainder is 3. So this does not fulfill our condition, so the correct answer is 11. So for question number 72, the correct option is option C, 11. Now let's look into question number 78. In question number 78, they are asking us to find the sum of the number. The numbers given are in different formats. We are asked to find the sum of the numbers. In such cases, what we need to do is we need to understand it that we are allowed to use calculator in the PE examination. So in such questions what we need to do is we directly use the calculator to make it faster. Except for the fraction mixed fraction here, 2 1 by 2, all other number can be directly put into the calculator and calculated. So what I would do is we have 21 by 4 plus 2 by 4 2 by 4. In such case, what 2 1 by 2. So this would come as 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5 by 2. So we will add that number, 5 by 2 plus 1 by 8 plus 0 plus 3.350. So this will give us the answer 11.225. Again, reminding you, in such type of questions we better tend to use the calculator directly, except for the fractions, these mixed fractions in this form 2 1 by 2. We try to make it into proper fraction by I know you how to do it. To make a proper mixed fraction into proper fraction, what we need to do is we need to multiply these two, then to the answer we add 1 and we divide with the same remainder. So that's how we got 5 by 2. And by using calculator, I added 21 by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 8 and plus 3.350, and that gave me the answer 11.225. So the correct answer for question number 78 is option C, 11.225. Now let's go to question number 79. Question number 79, the ratio of two numbers is 8 and the difference is 21. What is the value of the smaller number? So in this case also we will not be using any formulas. What we will do is we will directly test with the given options. So by the question we understand that the ratio is 1:8. So let's try with the first number that is 12. 12 into 8 is equal to 12 into 8 is equal to 96. The difference between 12 and 96 cannot be 21. So we'll go with the next question, next option, that is 24. 24 into 8 that would be equals to 192. Again 24 and 192, the difference is not 21 because we need the difference as 21. Next we'll try with 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Now difference between 2 and 16 is not 21 again. So this is also not our answer. Now we are left with the last option, 3. We check with that. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Now the difference 24 minus 3 is 21. So both our conditions are fulfilled. Now the correct answer is 3. So for question number 79, the correct answer is option D, 3. Easy peasy. Now let's go to question number 80. Question number 80. What we have in question number 80 is how many 3-digit numbers can be made using the digits 2, 6 and 7 without repeating the digits. Now we have to in such type of questions we have two different options, two different types. That is how many digits we can make either with repetition or without repetition. So we should be very careful if repetition is allowed or not. So in this particular question, without repeating, that means we are not allowed to repeat the digits. So in such cases what we need to do is we have 3 numbers, 2, 6 and 7, and we have to make a number of 3 digits. So in such cases 3 digits means what we need to do is, first option we have first digit can be any one of these 3. So in this case, what we need to do is we have a formula like we have three options and we can select one of the digits. Then we need to multiply. In the next option, this is first option. So in the next option, what we have is, now the first digit is taken, either 2, 6 or 7 from the 3 number is taken in the first digit. Now we are left with 2 of the digits. So in the next case, what we have is we have 2 options, 2 numbers. We can choose 1. Then in the last number, since first 2 digits here and here, first 2 digits are already taken, we are only left with one digit. So we are left with one choice and we can select 1. So if we calculate in the calculator or directly also, if we see if it is 3C1, anything number C1, then it will be the number itself. So 3C1 is 3 into 2C1 is 2 into 1C1 is 1. So equals to 6. So the correct answer is we can make 6 3-digit number using 2, 6 and 7 without repeating the digit. So the correct answer for question number 80 is option A, 6. Now let's look into question number 81. Question number 81 reads, Isha's mother bought her a bag of juice containing 2 appy, 3 jumpy, 4 lychee and 6 Lipton. All the products are imported except jumpy. If she picks one juice randomly from the bag, what is the probability that the juice chosen is a local product? So first we need to understand the question properly. It's asking local product. Local product means by the statement all the products are imported except jumpy. That means jumpy is the local product and we have 3 jumpy. And for such type of questions, what we need to do is to find the probability that the juice chosen is a local product. What we need to do is we need to have the total outcome. So total outcome means the total number of juice that is there in the bag. So from the question what we have is total number is 2 plus 2 appy plus 3 jumpy plus 4 lychee plus 6 Lipton. So total we have 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 10, 13 and 15. We have total 15 products. Out of 15 products, now Hishi is trying to pick a fruit. So that means to find the probability of getting a local product, what we need to do is the outcome of local product. So that means local product is jumpy. So the outcome would be outcome for local product. Local product is equal to the total number of local products. So in here we have 3. Total number of product is 3. So the probability of getting a local product out of the bag would be the outcome for local product, that is 3 divided by the total number of outcome 15. This will equals to 0.20. So the correct answer for question number 81 is option B, 0.2. Now coming to question number 82, we have a survey was conducted by one of the banks to find the demand for debit card and credit card. It is revealed that 35% of clients want debit card, 45% of the clients want credit card, while 20% want both. What is the probability that a client does not want any of the cards? So here in this question also similar to 81, it is asking to find the probability. So to find the probability, first thing is we need to find the total number of outcomes. And in questions where the outcomes are given in percentage, the total number of outcome would be 100%. Now out of 100, Since the question also contains both, a term such as both like 20% like both, or 20% wants both, or 20% have both. In such cases, what we need to do is we need to use the Venn diagram for easier calculation. Now we have debit card, we have credit card, and we have both. Now 35% wants debit card and 45% want credit card and 20% wants both. So in such cases, what we need to do is first we need to find the number of person who wants only debit card. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to calculate the number of person who wants only debit card. What we need to do is we need to subtract 20 from 35, because 20 of the person wants both. So this will give us 15. Now similarly for person only wanting credit card, we have 45, and again wanting both is 20. So we do subtract. So 45 minus 20 is 25. And now the total number of person who wants credit card and debit card is total number would be 15 plus 25 plus 20. 15 who wants only debit card, 25 who wants only credit card, and 20 who wants both. So this will give us 25 plus 15 is 40, plus 20 is 60. So 60% of the people want credit card. That means out of 100, 60 wants credit card, means 40 doesn't want credit card. 40 out of total outcome is 100 into 100, because we need to answer in percentage, we will multiply with 100. So 100 and 100 is cancelled, so 40%. So the correct answer is 40% of the people does not want credit card. 40 out of 100 does not want credit card. So 40 out of 100, if you do, we get 0.4 or 40%. So the correct answer for question number 82 is option A, 0.40. Now let's look into question number 83. Question number 83, find the median hours spent on, we are given a table and we are asked to find the median hours spent on Instagram by the teenagers. Now whenever the question is asking about the median, we need not look into the other side of the table. We just need to look into the hours, because we are asked to ask the median of hours. And in such questions, what we need to do is we need to first find out the number of events. That means how many number of teenagers are being, how many number of data is there. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 datas. We have 5 data, which is an odd number. So if it is an odd number, then the middle one would be the median. So we have 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. If the number is not given in a ascending order, first we should convert it into a proper order, ascending order or descending order. Then we need to find the middle number. Middle number is 10. We have 2 numbers on the right hand side, 2 numbers on the left hand side. So 10 becomes the median. So for question number 83, the correct answer is 10, option A, 10 hours. Now let's go to question number 84. Question number 84, it is asking about the change in percentage of the rectangle when the length is increased by 120% and the breadth is reduced by 20%. So for this, we can have two types of solutions. We can find the solution in two ways. First, let's see the formula for area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle, area is equal to length into breadth. We have this length into breadth now, which is equals to LB. Now the new area would be area, let's keep it as area dash A dash, would be equals to length is increased by 120%. That means length is equal to length is length plus 120% of length, 120% of length. That means 120 L, and into breadth we have to do. Breadth will be equals to, breadth is B minus how much it is reduced, 20% is reduced, B minus 20% of B. So this is the new area. Now if we calculate what we have, if you calculate what we will have is, denominator we have 100. Now L plus, since L does not have 1, we have 100L plus 120L divided by 100. So this will be equals to 100 and 120 is 220. Now let's look into question number 84. If the length of a rectangle is increased by 120% and its breadth reduced by 20%, what happens to the area of the triangle? Now we are asked to find the area of a new triangle. So to find the area of a triangle, we have a formula, area is equal to length into breadth, LB. So to find, that is the area of the triangle. Now to find the area of the new triangle, what we need to do is we need to find the new length. So length, new length, let's say L dash new length is equals to, because it is increased, length plus how much it is increased, it is increased by 120% of the length. 120% means 120 by 100 into L, 120% of the length. This will give us 100L plus 120L plus 100. So this will give us 220L divided by 100. So this is the new length. Breadth, new breadth is equal to, breadth is reduced, so B minus how much it is reduced, 20% it is reduced. 20% means 20 by 100 into breadth. Similarly we will have 100B minus 20B divided by 100. So we will have 80B by 100. Now new area A dash is equal to new length, that is 220L divided by 100 into new breadth, that is equals to 80B divided by 100. So this will give us 220 into 80, 220 into 80 divided by 10,000, 220 into 80 divided by 100 into 100. So this will give us 1.76. This is the new area. Now our old area is 1 and our new area is 1.76. Now the degrees in area would be 1. Since the new area is 1.76, that means the area has increased. So the area increased would be the new area 1.76 minus the old area, that is 1. So we have 0.76 area increased 0.76 out of 100, out of 1 into 100. So the increase would be 76%. This is 1. 0.76 is increased out of the old area is 1 and into 100, because we need to find the percentage. So it is 76% increased. So the correct answer is question number 84. We have option number B. It increases by 76%. Now let's look into question number 85. In question number 85, the internal dimensions of a bathtub are 60 cm into 100 cm into 170 cm. If two taps, each with an output of 2000 cubic centimeter of water per minute, are opened simultaneously to fill the tub, how long does it take to fill 80% of the tub? So in this question, first what we need to do is, because it's asking how much time it will take for the tub to fill, so what we need to do is, firstly we need to find the volume of the tub. Volume of the tub, volume is equal to 60 into 100 into 170, that is length into breadth into height. So this will give us 10 lakhs 20,000. Since it is in centimeter, so it will be cubic centimeter. Now the question is asking us how much time it will take to fill the 80% of the tub, not the full of the tub, but 80% of the tub. The total volume is 10 lakhs 20,000. Now we need to find the 80% of that. So 80% of 10 lakhs and 20,000. This will equals to 8 lakhs and 16,000. So we need to find how much time it will take for the tub to contain 8 lakhs and 16,000 cubic centimeter of water. Now to fill this tub, we have two taps. Each tap is 2000. So total we have two taps. Two taps means 2000 into 2. So in a minute 4000 cubic centimeter of the tub is filled. Now we need to fill total 8,16,000 of the tub. So 8,16,000 of the tub divided by 2 taps per minute, that is 4000 per minute. So this will give us 204 minutes. So the correct answer is, for question number 85, option A, 204 minutes.